Something insane is happening on YouTube right now. New channels that are barely a few months old keep exploding with videos that are pulling in hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. But if you think about it, this whole thing isn't too surprising, as AI has made it easy to create content that only experts in the field could create just a couple of years back. The result is channels like this one that are blowing up in record time. As you can see, they've uploaded 66 videos and pulled in just a little over 65,000 subscribers. But that isn't the crazy part. What's truly amazing is the fact that they did all of this in just 2 months. The channel itself was created in March of this year, but they uploaded their first video 2 months ago. Since then, they've made it a point to upload a video every single day, which has resulted in the channel pulling in hundreds of thousands of views on a bunch of their videos, with one of their videos already hitting 1 million views. Even if you take a low RPM of $3 per thousand views for their videos, this channel could be making close to $8,000. That's just insane, considering they literally started 2 months ago. If you're wondering what the channel is doing to rake in these insane numbers, the answer is quite simple. They're tapping into one of the most emotionally addictive niches on YouTube right now, which is relationship advice for women, with a psychological twist. But they're not just handing out typical dating tips. Instead, every video is crafted like a mini emotional roller coaster, combining deep-seated fears, unspoken desires, and Carl Jung-style psychology to decode what men really think. It's the kind of content that makes viewers feel seen, understood, and emotionally hooked within seconds. But I'm sure you're probably thinking that you don't know anything about Carl Jung or even women. Well, neither do these guys. However, they let AI do the heavy lifting, which is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. We'll cover everything, starting from how you can find viral ideas to actually creating engaging scripts that will keep viewers glued to the screen. Then, I'll show you how to generate the voiceover narration before moving on to acquire the necessary footage for the video. I'll even throw in a few tips to help you stand out. Finally, we'll go over how you can edit the videos like the channel we're modeling. So even if you have zero experience, by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to launch your own Faceless channel, with a real potential to blow up. This is going to be detailed, so to make things simpler, I've prepared a Google Doc which will contain all the prompts that I'll be using in the video. You can find it on my Discord server. It's totally free to join, so simply click the link in the description to be taken to the server. Find this prompts channel and look for the name Soul Sync, bracket female dating. The link should be right on that card. I'll also add any resource files you'll need inside this files channel. It'll have the same name as the prompts document. And hey, if you find the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Honestly, these prompts can take some time to create, so think of it as your fee for this comprehensive free course. Now, before we get started, let me show you a short demo I made for this niche, using the same strategy I'm about to take you through.
Have you ever wondered why some women live alone? No boyfriend, no partner, not even the appearance of searching for one? The answer isn't heartbreak, scarcity, or broken trust. It's something deeper, something raw, ancient, and unspoken. A truth buried beneath centuries of whispered warnings and societal myths. Because when a woman chooses to walk alone, it is not a fall from grace. It is a return to her throne. A quiet revolt against a world that told her she must be chosen to be whole. She isn't lonely, she's listening, not to the noise of men's desires or the ticking clock of expectation, but to the steady beat of her own becoming. There's a kind of woman who vanishes from the social script. She's not at the parties searching for the one. She's not seducing her way into stability. She's not aching for a text back. Instead, she's reading, walking, creating, rebuilding, alone, but never adrift. You might not understand her at first. She doesn't explain her solitude. She doesn't defend it. Because she knows something most people avoid. Solitude doesn't mean absence. It means presence.
Now, the first thing you need to do is to come up with topics for the video. I'm going to show you an easy way to do this, but you can start with some of the top performing videos from the channel we're modeling. Remember, these topics are evergreen, so you can also leverage the interest audiences are showing in them. However, if you want to brainstorm some new ideas, AI can be useful here. The first thing you need to do is to go to the Google Doc that I mentioned at the beginning and look for this heading. Once you've found it, copy everything under it and open your preferred text generator. There are a bunch of these tools on the market now, so this part depends on your preference. But just for this demonstration, I'm going to be using ChatGPT. So go ahead and paste the prompt inside the text generator and make this single change. You only need to look for this placeholder and replace it with the number of topics that you want the AI to generate. Feel free to go with however many you want, but I'll go with 20. Once you're done with that, hit enter and wait for your topics to be ready. As you can see, it's generated a bunch of interesting topics that you can choose from. So pick the ones that you want, or if you don't like any, go ahead and regenerate for a fresh new batch. Now that you've chosen your topic, the next step is to generate the script. I've made this part equally easy. All you have to do is to go back to the Google Doc and look for this script heading. Copy the entire prompt and paste it inside your text generator. Before you make any changes to the prompt, you need to understand how it works. The channel we're modeling has videos with duration ranging from 16 to 35 minutes. That's a broad range. So to make things easier, I've structured this prompt to create scripts ranging from 3,500 to 6,500 words. Also, most AI text generators have issues generating longer scripts, which can be quite annoying to be honest. One of the best ways around that is making sure the AI generates the script in parts. So that's what this prompt is structured to do. Simply replace this title placeholder with the topic you've chosen. In this case, I'm going with this topic on the truth about women who live alone without a man. Then scroll down to the bottom and replace the second placeholder with the same topic. Now hit enter and wait for the AI to generate the script. As you can see, the first part of the script is ready, so read through and make any necessary changes. Or if it sounds alright, copy and paste it inside a document as the first part of the script. One important thing you need to take note of is the command at the bottom of each part. As I mentioned earlier, the AI will split the script into parts, so you simply need to type the command at the bottom to generate the second part. Repeat that as many times as prompted till the end of the script. The overall word count should be at least 3,500 words. But just in case you want something longer than the AI generated, make changes to both the word count for each part as well as the overall word count. Once you're happy with the script, it's time to bring it to life with a voiceover. Feel free to choose whichever tool you like, but I personally prefer the results from 11 Labs. It's one of the best on the market if you have a budget. But if you want a free alternative, Clipchamp is a solid choice. I often recommend it mostly because it's free and the quality of their voices are considerably better than some of the other free options. That said, if you can invest in 11 Labs, it's absolutely worth it. Go to Voices and test out some of the available options. You can either choose one that you like or clone Carl Jung's voice and use it to brand your channel. I'm going to show you how to do that, but first you need a short sample speech by the man himself. No need to worry if you don't have that. As I stated earlier, I'll be leaving a link to a resource folder for you on my Discord channel. Inside, you should find a 3-minute file that you can use for this process. Once you have the file, click this button and you'll get a pop-up which gives you these options. Don't worry about the voice design as you don't need it for this style of video. The only ones you need to focus on are the instant voice clone and professional voice clone options. The professional voice clone is the best option, except that it requires some form of voice confirmation, which isn't ideal. There are ways around this, but it's honestly not worth all that effort. So the one you need to focus on is the instant voice clone. Simply hit that and upload the MP3 file you got from the resource folder. Make sure the Remove Background Noise checkbox is checked, and then hit this button. Now you can give the voice a name, specify the language, and even add a description if you want to. All that's left is to check this confirmation and save your voice. As you can see, the voice is now available, so you can hit this button to use it. In case you don't want to use his exact voice, but you want something similar, go back to the Voices page and hit this icon. Upload the MP3 file and 11 Labs will look for a match for the voice. Unfortunately, this option isn't the best as it's even added some female voices as well. So you can combine it with the filters like this and look through the results for one that you like. I'm going to be using the voice we just cloned, so I'll head back to the text-to-speech page, and with the voice selected, paste the script and hit generate. You can even test the voice with the new version 3 model, but let's go with this one. Listen to the results and make any tweaks that you want to the settings. Once that's done, it's time to move on to the images. The channel we're modeling uses images and sometimes stock videos for their narration, so you can either do the same or use AI to generate something unique if you want to stand out. You can test out various image styles that are popular with the mostly 25 to 45-year-old audience for this niche. Simply modify the image prompt that I've included to fit the style you want. For the same styles of images that the channel we're modeling uses, copy the prompt and paste it inside your text generator. Now, before you make changes, you should know that the images can either be generated or downloaded directly from stock footage websites. In case you want to generate your own, simply specify the number of image prompts that you want the AI to create. I'll go with 20, and also replace this placeholder with the title. Once that's done, hit enter and wait for the AI to generate the prompts. You can use your preferred image generator to create the images, but ImageFX works just fine, so I'll go with that. Paste your prompt and choose 16:9 aspect ratio. Hit create and wait for the images to be ready. As you can see, these images are pretty decent, so download a few and continue generating the rest. In case you want to use stock videos or images, open Vecteezy and choose videos. Search for landscape, nature, or female silhouette videos and images and download as many as you want. Images from this platform typically have higher resolution, so you don't need to make any changes. But in case you decide to use the AI-generated images, make sure you enhance their resolution, especially if you're planning on exporting the videos at 2K or higher resolution. The tool I recommend for this is Upscale with a Y. It's completely free to use, so install and open it. Make sure your images are all inside one folder and check Batch Upscale. Select the folder that contains your files and choose your preferred model as well as the scale you want to enhance. For these images, 3 or 4 times should work perfectly, and hit this button to start the process. It doesn't take too long, but once the images are ready, it's time to edit the video. This style of video is very simple, so you can use any video generator, including Canva. But CapCut works just fine, so we'll be using that. Open CapCut and import your audio and image files. The first thing you need to do is to drag and drop the voiceover file inside the timeline. Quickly go through the narration and remove any long pauses. Don't forget to keep playing to make sure you're not removing too much. Once that's done, it's time to specify the aspect ratio. Hit ratio and choose 16:9 for long form. Now it's time to arrange your images, so go ahead and add the first one to the timeline. The duration of each image depends on your personal preference, so feel free to extend it if you want to. You need to add some form of animation, so select the layer and go to animation. Make sure you're on this In tab and choose Zoom Out. Don't forget to increase the duration of the animation, and then go to the Out tab. Choose Zoom In, and increase the duration of this animation as well. You can always extend the clips if you want to. Bring in the rest of the images and repeat this process with them all. Another way you can create the animation is to use keyframes. It's pretty simple. First, you need to move this marker to where you want the entrance animation to start, go to Basic and hit this icon to add a keyframe. Then drag it to the beginning and scale it up. Go to where you want the exit animation to start and set another keyframe. Finally, move the marker to a second before the end and scale up the image again. Don't forget to drag the keyframe to the end like this. This produces the same result, except that you get more control over the animation this way. So repeat it for the rest of the images till you've covered the entire video. Once that's done, add transitions if you want to, but it's not very necessary for this niche, so feel free to skip that. Next, go to Filters. Look through the available options till you find one that fits the style you're going for. This clear filter is alright, so drag it to the timeline and extend it to cover the full duration of the video. Once that's done, it's time to generate captions. Go to Text, Auto Captions, and hit Generate. Wait a few seconds and the caption should be ready. Now with the caption selected, go to Templates and look through till you find the one that you want. Keep in mind that the majority of these templates have become paid, but you can still find a few decent ones. This one looks alright, so I'll go with it. If you don't like the font, choose your preferred one and even play around with the colors. White works fine for me, so I'll go with that. Feel free to turn off the shadow and even turn on the stroke. In case you do that, increase the thickness to make the text easy to see on white backgrounds. The video is almost ready, so it's time to add the background music. You can download one from your favorite royalty-free website, but YouTube's audio library works perfectly, and it's also free. So look through the soundtracks over there and download the one that you prefer. Then import it inside CapCut and add it to the timeline. Decrease the volume significantly to where it's almost inaudible. The channel we're modeling doesn't use any background music for most of their videos, so you can actually skip this part. Finally, trim any excess and add a fade out if you want to. The video is looking good now, so it's time to export it at 4K resolution. This style of video is quite easy to make and doesn't take much time. But if you want to explore other similarly simple niches, I've put together this playlist just for you. Anyway, thank you and see you in the next one.